Your global brand. I mean, let me digress a little bit, Daktari.
Yeah.
But the children know you, the teenagers know you, the working class know you, the old people know you. I mean, how did your brand become so transcend all these generations?
Transcend.
Yes.
You see, if you pay attention to a kid,
Yes.
the kid will also respond.
Yes.
If you pay attention to a poor or a young man,
Yeah.
they will also respond.
Yeah.
It is the feeling you create, how you don't ignore people.
Yeah.
The fact that you might be a bit more successful than
Yeah.
them.
Yeah.
The fact that you own a place like this.
Yes.
It's no excuse for you not to be even more humble. In fact, when I come here, I'm more humble than all these people. I try to say hello to all of them because they all want to say hello to me.
Yes.
And when they go home, they say, "Do you know whom I said hello to? Or do you know who said hello to me?" So it is a very important thing.
Yeah.
You've got to know how
Connect.
to behave,
Yes.
to keep people on your side.
Yes.
Yes.
Well done, Dr. Kirubi.
Yes.
Let's show
Yes.
our audience
Yeah.
other aspects of
The mall.
the mall.
The mall
But
is,
as we're headed there,
yeah.
people tend to confuse the two rivers to be a mall.
Yeah.
But what I hear as
This
speaking
is-
from
this-
the Centrum Group,
This is a destination.
A destination.
It is a destination.
Yes. You can
Because
speak to
there
that.
is everything there is here.
Yes.
You can see, look at this platform. They have everything you have in Dubai.
Yes.
Also, there are places for kids to play.
Yeah.
There are places for people to eat. There are places for people to enjoy the afternoon,
Yeah.
to have a drink.
Yeah.
This is so much varied in what is available here.
Yeah.
And then we continue to bring in new innovations
Yeah.
to help to make people happy.
Yes.
Right now we are installing
Yes.
a wheel, the largest wheel in Africa,
Wow.
down at the waterfront.
Yes.
That wheel is going to be like no other. The nearest one is in Cape Town,
Wow.
but this is bigger than that one.
Bigger than the one in Cape Town.
It's much bigger in diameter. If you sit on top there, you see Limuru.
Yes.
It is an incredible positioning.
Wow. So kids are going to have fun.
Yes.
Parents are going to have fun with their children.
Yes.
And it now makes me understand. I saw a posting that said something big is
coming.
happening.
Something is happening. Yes. We will go down there. You see it.
Yeah.
It's something that is second to none. It's second to none. I think even from there we can see
You
it.
can see it, yeah. So this is a huge development, unprecedented. And I want to imagine it took a lot of money to put it together, and more money than what we had as a center group.
It's money, but it took more mind thinking. You see, to bring here a store like Swarovski, the best jewelry in the world,
Yes.
and is available in every city.
Yes.
Swarovski
Yes.
is a thinking mind.
I want to feel how it feels.
To sit here.
Sit here.
Yeah. This is Ashley. They are one of our stores here, trying to show people what they are selling.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Beautiful.
So if you sit here, look at that kid on a horse,
Unbelievable.
right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Having fun
Yes.
on a Friday.
Right.
You can feel the Christmas mood. Yeah.
This is going to be something good. How are you? Very good.
Let's talk about money.
Yeah,
People
money.
who invested with the Centum Group to see this magnificent project come to life. Let's start with the Chinese. How did you convince the Chinese to invest, to back you up when there was really nothing? It was just soil.
Yeah, the Chinese, they are business people in their country, in China. They have seen development of this kind of size, and it wasn't difficult to convince them
Yes.
that come invest with us.
Yes.
Two, they are contractors, and we made them contractors of this mall.
Yes.
So for them, it had a double benefit,
Yes.
and they liked it. So they are partners in here.
Yeah.
They are developing a very big destination in town,
Yes.
and they are happy people. They are happy people.
They put in how much? 70, is it $75 million?
About $75 million. Yes.
A lot of money.
It's not a lot of money.
Foreign direct investment.
Money is what you do with it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's never a lot.
It's never a lot.
It is what do you do with that money?
Yes.
When you go to a bank and take that kind of money,
Yes.
what do you do with it?
Yes.
Yes, that's very important.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's continue.
Yeah,
taking
let's
a walk.
go on our walk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So after the Chinese came the South Africans.
The South Africans were dying to be partners here. Yes, so
Yes.
we had them here, and they are our partners now.
Yes.
And we're doing a big business.
That
We
was,
we also, you may not know.
Yes.
Hello, ladies. We brought here
Yes.
the largest casino destination,
Yeah.
the Millionaire Club.
That is
The billionaire
one
club.
on which
Yeah,
floor?
the Millionaire. It's here. It's just
Right
here.
on the- yes, on the
It's
front,
just
yes.
here.
Yes.
And they are one of the best. They are very, very good.
Yes.
So to me, I think it is a very good thing what you can get over here.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. All manner of things for children, for grown-ups.
Yeah. There's a lot of fun. I can see around.
Yeah,
Children,
look at all
everybody.
this. Look at all this. Look at the chairs for kids.
Yes.
Look at the tables. This is all plastic items. Yeah.
Someone told me, doctor, that when they saw the land and they knew it was being sold, they wanted it. But because it was full of napier grass, they saw it as fit to feed their cows. And this is what he told me. We were in the gym.
Yeah.
He said, Pius, I'm very happy Centum Group bought the land because I was seeing food for my cows.
A place for cows.
But you people saw the cities. So
Yes.
did you just give us more insight into how the vision of Two Rivers?
You know, I
Yes.
bring you here because you can see down there what we are doing.
Yes.